Here is the layout drawing for the line, and I'm going to start walking around it now. It's infeed conveyor. Here we're traveling along to the sander. I can send you some pictures later of the inside of the sander. This is the panel cleaner. And then it goes into this transfer conveyor. And next we go into the fill machine. We have new belts, new rolls. And then this is the first 2-lamp UV oven here. And this is the control panel for the UV. We've got all the doors open on some of this stuff so we can work on it. And the power for this will need to come in from above. So here we have the 2-lamp, and now we're going to go around the curve, and we're going to run the wiring for the curve inside of it. As you can see, we've added junction boxes here. Okay, we're going around. And the wiring, we added these boxes. The cabling is going to run on the inside all the way through it. So there's nothing on the floor here or up in the air. Coming out of the curve, and I'm trying to remember where the sander is supposed to sit that you have down there.
In between.
Okay, the sealer sander sits here. So this roll coater will be further that way. Here's the first single head roll coater, the control panel. And as you can see, they've installed some contactors and items here that are running directly to through this conduit to the conveyor, which pretty much everything is going to be linked together. I can't say exactly how. But here's one of the single head roll coaters. Got the new roll, the new belt. The doctor roll is redone in there. The UV ovens are what we're working on mostly right now, so the covers are just loosely sitting there. This is the single head lamp that's after the first roll coater. Here is the second roll coater. Of course, things are just generally sitting here. They're not lined up. Okay, continuing on, this is the second single head roll coater. Here's a look inside the control panel for this. And again, the single head roll coaters have new belts, new rolls, everything's real good, all new bearings. This is the 3-head oven. And this is where the pipes are going to have to go up through the ceiling. Those pipes have to be ready. This is the control panel. We're waiting to get some new switches for here. Let me point. I want to replace these switches, but they're a little hard to get. It's going to take some time to get them. We've got them ordered. There you can see the transformers in there. And then we're coming out of the 3-head roll coater, and then we're going down the exit conveyor. So I can send some individual pictures as well. There's a lot of wiring and linking going on now, so I can't show everything running, but we have had the individual machines running. So basically that's the line. Infeed there, going around and coming out. And I just want to show you one more thing real quick, if I can. We've got all the roll coaters mounted on these really nice wood pallets for shipping and maneuvering around.